Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your keyless entry for your Honda. So for this one, it's one of these 4 button. Now first thing we need to do is we're just gonna unscrew it, which is in the back right here. You're gonna need a little Phillips screwdriver. So it's a pretty simple procedure. Just unscrew it. The screw's very small, so be careful you don't lose it. And then put it to the side. Then if you look on here, there's a little tab where you can stick your nail in between and just try to pry it open. Or if you don't have fingernails or anything, you can use I guess a screwdriver. But as you can see here, I clipped my fingernail, so we'll just pry it apart. Now I've got this piece off, the back piece here. Just put it to the side. Should be able to take this inner piece here out, just like that. And we'll put the top piece out. Now if you look on here, there's this little, I guess it's a little tab here, and then it's one on this other side too. So just use your fingernail, just like gently pry it apart. And there we go. And so now here is the battery right here. You can use your fingernail just to pry it apart here. And so the battery here is the CR1616. Okay, so, and remember, this is how it's going to go. So the back of here, all the writing is going to go right there. And just push it down. So once you got the new battery in, of course, we'll just go in the reverse order. So push it in this way, like so. Let's see here, just like that, and then there you go. It should snap into place. Now, if you have a little brush or something, you can probably clean the dust off, but for me, I don't really care. Then we'll just put it back into the key. So push it in just like that. And we'll put the backing on here. Let's see how it'll go in before I don't... actually, you want to go just like this. So you want to go near the top where the hole is. If you can see there's a little notch up here. So you want to go up, push. You want to push the bottom one going upwards like that. So you're going to push up like that. And it should snap back in. Get the little screw, and then you're just gonna screw it back in, and then that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic procedure, but you just have to be careful. Make sure you have the correct size screwdriver. If it's too small or too big, what's gonna happen is you're gonna strip the screw, the top of it here. Sometimes if it's hard, what you want to do is you want to heat the tip of the screwdriver. And it has this like a Loctite kind of material that's on the tip of the screw. But now that you got it tight, you are pretty much done. Thanks for watching.